Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kajal Karmakar and as you read the title, today we are going to talk about 5 ways how anyone can make money while being at home, basically working from home, and I think this is going to be really helpful for all the students out there. So let's just dive right into the content. So I have written down all the facts on my phone, so don't mind if I look down once in a while because I have gathered a lot of information and everything will be linked in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Hi, this is me while editing and I just wanted to jump in between and I'm going to do that so that I mention whatever I missed in the video. First one being, for all the ways I mentioned, you are going to need two things. Number one being internet and number two being a device, preferably a PC. Now most of these are my personal experience. It's not like everything that you can do from home has been mentioned in this video, but it's just my personal experience that I have found helpful and I am sharing with you guys. Apart from that, you can definitely search on the internet what are the other ways that you can make money out of. So my first and the most favorite thing is freelancing. I'm sure a lot of you out there already know about what freelancing is, but for those who don't know about it, it is basically working from home for anybody who needs something to be done. Now there are a lot of small things that are needed to be done and they don't need like a full-time person doing it. They just need one thing to be done and that's it. But that doesn't mean that you can't find a full-time project while freelancing. It basically means people outsourcing the skills that they don't have. It can be related to technology like web designing, it can be related to creativity like blog writing, it can be virtual assistant, a social media manager, a translator, and the list goes on. There is something for everybody. I have gathered 5 very popular websites for you. There are obviously more, but these 5 are the one that I look up to. Number 1 is Upwork. It is one of the most popular websites when it comes to freelancing. Now everything has its own advantages and disadvantages. Upwork has so many clients that you will get at least one project for yourself, but on the other hand, they actually take 20% commission of your revenue. But as I said, there are so many clients because it's so popular, so you will find something or the other. Second one is Fiverr. It is also popular, but it works differently. It is you who go there and make your own gigs. Basically, you propose whatever skills you have and then clients who need it, they come to you. So that's something unconventional. That is why Fiverr is so popular. Apart from this, there is Truelancer.com, which is really good because there is less competition, and secondly they commission I think 8%, which is way less than 20%, so yeah. And then we have Freelancer.com, peopleperhour.com. You can check all the links below in the description. Next comes internship. Now there are paid internships, there are unpaid internships, there are certified internships which provide you certificate, which can be a part of your CV. But I'd say go for paid internship. Why would you work for free? For experience, obviously. Now yeah, so internship is a little different than freelancing in terms of you gaining experience, you gain experience of real-time job. That is the only difference I have felt. I have not done quite a lot of internships, but my major 2 favorites are, number 1 is Frap. It is an app, and number 2 is Internshala. It also has an app. Frap comes up with really great internships and paid internships. On the other hand, Internshala doesn't come with much paid internship. Last time I checked, which was last year summertime, so there might have been some changes, and by no means I am defaming any particular company. It's, as I mentioned earlier, it is completely my personal experiences. Apart from this, we have interntheory.com, monsterindia.com, 2019.com, simplyhire.com, and makeintern.com. The third one is one of my favorites, and that is affiliate marketing, which is done by a lot and almost every blogger out there. But you must be thinking, hey, we clicked on how to earn money as a student and not as a blogger. Then why I am mentioning the affiliate marketing? Well, guess what? We all have some friends, relatives, people we know who are always shopping online. Now, definitely, I don't refer this to you during the pandemic, but once this is over, this video is still going to be watched, right? Basically, you make a profile on any affiliate marketing website, like Flipkart has its own marketing associate, and Amazon has its own associate. I link an article which has like 15 websites which provide you affiliate marketing, because I don't need to mention the 15 of them, but I just need to make you understand how and what you can do through affiliate marketing. Let's say you can share those links through WhatsApp, Messenger, and a lot of time there are friends or relatives who ask you for recommendation. Then you can send them your own link and it's a win-win situation. Sell your notes, or you can go for online tutoring as well. So we all have made notes throughout our life, be it in school, be it in college, or whoever is still in college, they still can sell their notes. Now there are ton of websites who accept notes, who buys notes from you and then sells it to other students who need it. Now the whole procedure actually varies from website to website. That is why I am not mentioning any particular website, but I'll link some in the description. But how it works is basically you scan the notes you have already made, upload them, and get paid whenever people buy it, or get paid whenever the website accepts it. It's as simple as that. Now coming to the second part. Now since we are in a lockdown and schools are shut, colleges are shut, there is a little bit of increase in the demand of online tutors. You can enroll on those websites who provide online tutoring and become a mentor to some students and earn some good amount of money. There is a link to an article down in the description to make you understand more about online tutoring and which are the best places to do so. And if you're doing it for the first time, you can try the websites which don't pay you, basically for free, so that you understand where you stand. Now, it does not need to be the traditional subject-wise tuition. You can teach how to play a guitar, how to click better pictures, or just start a course of your own where you don't talk about the conventional subject. We'll talk more about this in the next segment. Number 5, sell your crafts or online course. The first part is we are crafty, a lot of us, and craft is not limited to just handmade crafts like physical crafts. There are digital crafts as well, like illustrations, logo designing. There are websites like Etsy who accept handmade crafts and then sell it to someone else. Well, which is a little bit difficult during this lockdown period, but hey, when this pandemic is over, you can do that, right? Now coming to the second part, if you are good at something and you always wanted to teach it to others, then there are websites, there are ways to make an online course for free and then sell it to others. You can charge very less initially and then increase it as per the demand, but you can make your own online course about anything, because people are curious to know certain things. People don't know how to utilize this time, so they are enrolling for courses as well. You can make your own online course and sell it. A bonus tip would be, if you always had this business idea which was totally online and is possible right now, then go for it. Start it right now. I know you are not going to make a lot of money initially, but at least it will give you a head start and you will be prepared for the future. And if you have a family business, then you can take it to online and ask for some permission from your parents. How cool is that? So those were my 5 ways how anybody, especially students, can earn from home. I hope you found this video informative and share it with anybody and everybody who can be benefited from it. And yeah, check the description because there will be all the links that I mentioned. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.